Hey guys, welcome to OCAM. We're fitting a Vito roof rack for a short wheelbase, Mercedes Vito. Now this system and this fitting instruction applies to the short wheelbase, medium wheelbase and the long wheelbase. Now in the fitting kit, we've got everything we've laid out today. The largest brackets go on the front. The next size down are the rear mounts and the two shorter ones are the middle mounts. Now this is everything for the whole rack. Either side you'd need one for either side, and I'll give you a quick rundown on how it's done. We'll start with the front mount. So with the front mount, we're needing these two M6. So there's 16 in the kit, 8 for either side. So 2 for the front, and we'll need one of those to pass through so that they're a longer bolt. So let's start with this mount. So we'll start off, there are some rubbers in the kit as well. You just place that on top. Little M6 goes in, just nice and finger tight. Now when securing these bolts, just make sure the bracket is in the middle, so you've got plenty of adjustment here. Just kind of measure either side. Finger tight. So next is, in the kit there's a longer M8 bolt. So it's bolt, spring washer and washer. The cut here is faces down. That'll go through. Now on this particular one, we'll take the middle hole, the front mount. And then you got another flat washer and nut as well. And it's all just finger tight for the time being. Then we'll carry on to the second, third and fourth mount. Okay, so the last step now, once all your brackets are on, put your roof rack on top. Now we want to line up 4 holes. And what we're doing is bolt, spring washer, washer, straight through. And then we'll put the nut on the bottom end. And it's very important to tighten these with an Allen key, not a power drill, as you could damage the rack. Do more finger tight. Continue that step right around the rack. Get your measure at nice and center. Tighten it up, and wish you all the best and have a lovely day.